Hello friend, my name is Shivam Shivare and today we will discuss about how you will get free courses from website like Coursera, Cognitive.ai, Udemy, Udacity. But today I will tell you about how you will get data science course from uh, Cognitive.ai, where you will have uh, option to get all the courses freely available in cognitive.ai. So you will go and enroll for the cognitive.ai website and learn a lot of courses from there, but I will prefer you to go for the data science just because of that data science is the emerging technology in this era. And if you will be able to get data science knowledge and you will get the certificate during the college time, definitely you will get that benefit at the time of interviews. So I will tell you how you will get cognitive.ai website data science course. So you will visit www.cognitive.ai website, and there you will get the sign up option for data science course. You will fill all your mandatory details there. After creating an account, you will verify your email from your personal account. After approval of your account, you will redirect from cognitive.ai website, and there you will see lot of courses are present there, but I prefer you to go for the data science course, which starts from the Python for data science, then data analysis with Python, then go for the data visualization with Python. And after completing all three uh, course from cognitive.ai, you will get 3 badge and 3 certificate. But also if you are passing with 80% grades, you will get applied data science badge also from there, and you will get a lot of knowledge from that course. You will learn various machine learning algorithms. You will learn various scientific algorithms like pandas, numpy, seaborn, scikit-learn, scipy, linear regressions, data visualization, matplotlib. So these kind of informations and these kind of course curriculum you will get from cognitive.ai. So I will prefer you to first go and visit and learn the fundamentals of data science from cognitive.ai, which is totally free right now. So I will provide the link of cognitive.ai website in my description, and also uh, I will give you more courses links in the description like Coursera, Udemy. And if you want to learn more about and want to know more about free courses or internships, do subscribe our channel, like and share. Thank you so much.